Okay. Hey guys, we're going to take a look at measuring to the nearest ½ inch today for you third graders. Let's take a look at the ruler before we actually do some measuring though. This is the part of the ruler, the scale we're going to be using primarily today. You have your ½ inch marks. If you look here, I drew in a 0 just to remind myself that with this ruler I have to start right at the very end of the ruler. There is no 0, but I know I need to start there. And if you look, each inch has 2 spaces between, so half and half. Each inch is broken up into 2 equal parts. You're going to be using that in just a second. But let's take a look at the rest of the ruler first. This one, just a plain inch ruler. The only marks you have are each inch. On the other side, we have 1/4 inch, 1/4 inch. So just like ½ inch was broken up into 2 equal parts, we have 1/4 inch is broken up into 4 equal parts between each inch. Not going to use that today. It's a little more precise, but we're not going to use that today. And finally, we have our centimeters. Again, we're not going to use that today, but this is the metric scale on your ruler. There are 30 centimeters on this ruler. You can see there. That's about it. I don't have anything else to say about that. All right, let's go back to that ½ inch and do some measuring. So again, like I said, line up this particular ruler. Some rulers might actually have a 0. Then you line it up with the 0. But this ruler, you're going to line up right with the end, and you're going to look here. This one is really close to 4 inches. So it's not close to a ½ inch. It's just close to a full inch. So we're going to say that this one is 4 inches long. Next one, we line it up. Now this one, remember we're getting to the nearest ½ inch. We got 6 full inches, and then it gets really close to that line that's halfway between 6 and 7. So we say that this one is 6 1/2 inches. Next, we're going to do something a little bit different. I want to start at 2. You might see this once in a while, and it's okay to start in the middle of a ruler at a different spot. You don't always have to start with 0, just as long as you do it correctly. I want to count my full inches first. So from 2 to 3 is 1, 3 to 4 is 2 full inches, and then we have a ½ inch. So that would be 2 1/2 inches. Finally, I want to go ahead and draw a line that's 7 1/2 inches long. So I'm going to make a mark right at the end, just like we've been practicing, and I'm going to make a mark at my full inch, which is 7. I'm going to draw a line connecting those, and then I know I want to go to the half, which is right here, 7 1/2. 2 halves would get me to 8, so I just want to go 1/2. So we have 7 1/2 inches for this line. Alright guys, hope this helps. Good luck.